Are you looking for a steam cleaner but don't know which one to choose? Well, you've come to the right video because that's exactly what we're going to look at today in this top 3. A comparison of the best steam cleaners. So these are devices that will allow you to clean without chemicals, simply using steam, which will eliminate the vast majority of bacteria and germs, making it effective in your home. You can use it to clean the floor, as well as walls, the shower, faucets, and even your kitchen countertop. Many things in a way that is both effective and chemical-free. So it's a really interesting product. So I want to clarify that we will be looking at what are called classic steam cleaners, which are canister steam cleaners, unlike steam mops, which are a bit more ergonomic and practical. However, they often have smaller tanks, resulting in less power, but there will be differences. In any case, I also made a video about steam mops if that's what you prefer. Well, you can check out that video as well. So I will present to you the best rated products of the year 2020, 3 in descending order of price, hoping that this will save you time in making your choice and of course in ordering one of these products or seeing more details. You will find all the links just below in the description. To explore this in more depth, we will start with the first one, which will be the steam cleaner from the Kärcher brand. A very interesting product. The price will certainly be the highest in the selection, but it doesn't make a huge difference. It's a price that remains quite reasonable, with a very good steam pressure of 3.5 bar, a preheating time of only 4 minutes, and a good nominal power of 2000 watts. It is suitable for surfaces up to 100 meters with a dual tank system. In total, you will have a 1.3 liter reservoir. There is also a floor cleaning kit with different nozzles, which will allow you to clean your ceramic glass plates or cooking plates, regardless of the heating method, as well as clean sinks, faucets, bathtubs, and the walls of the shower or bathroom, especially if they are tiled. This will provide a comprehensive cleaning solution. Of course, it's with steam, which eliminates viruses and bacteria, so it's super effective, and without chemicals, which is really better. And on top of that, you wouldn't have to buy any, etc. So for the floor and others, with the handheld nozzle that comes with a pencil jet nozzle and a round brush, it's really complete. It is a brand of very good quality, averaging 4.4 stars out of 5 based on more than 4,500 reviews at a reasonable price, so it is truly a product I recommend. If you want to order it or see more details, it will be the first link in the description. In this video 1-2 that I present to you, it is the Polti Vaporetto steam cleaner, specifically the Smart Santé model. This one is quite interesting as well. Although it is rated a little lower, it has 4.2 stars out of 5 based on over 6,300 reviews, which is quite good. And it is also a very popular product. You will once again have a good pressure of 4 bar with a steam setting of up to 110 gram per minute, a quick heating time of 2 to 3 minutes, with a nominal power of 1500 watts. Once again, of course, it will eliminate 99.9% of viruses, bacteria and germs. With a large 2-liter water tank providing very good autonomy and 9 included accessories, which means it has everything needed to clean surfaces other than the floor. As mentioned in the presentation of the previous product, you will have a total of 9 accessories, so 9 heads or attachments. There is even a version with 14 accessories to really have a product that is completely comprehensive. So it's also very interesting to go for this one. It is priced a bit more attractively. And it's a good brand, a very good brand for everything related to steam and cleaners in general, so I recommend it as well. And we will finish with one last product, which is the Dupre steam cleaner. This one has an even lower price, not a huge difference, but it is quite interesting. It will have an average of 4.4 stars out of 5 based on more than 1,100 reviews. So that is very good for cleaning, disinfecting and degreasing any surface with powerful superheated steam up to 130.5 degrees C, a large capacity allowing for up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill, so it should allow you, unless you have a really large home, to clean everything in one go. A 2-year warranty with 10 accessories provided, which will be interesting. So, different types of head cloths to really clean all the places to achieve a truly complete cleaning, not just on the floor. So it's also a product that can be worth it, which has a very good quality price ratio and is quite popular, with good features. So really, why not? That was all for this top 3 comparison of the best steam cleaners available on the market in 2023. I hope this video has helped you save time in making this choice. In any case, if you want to take a closer look at one of these products or order one, for example, check the price in detail. Exactly. See for yourself the customer reviews, find more information, or directly order one of the products. Well, know that all the links are right below in the video description in the order they appear in the selection. So to do all this, you just need to click on the links.